In the name of Allah, the most merciful, let's start our class. Hello and welcome everyone to our beautiful English class. Our subject today is all places, different places, left off. Let's start our lesson with the warm-up question. Look at the picture. What is this? Do you know this place? Where is it? Let's read about it. Okay, read, listen, and say. A. Read the magazine article. Do we know why prehistoric people built a rodeo? Call this a rodeo. Okay, let's read about it. In Al-Jawf, in the northern desert of Saudi Arabia, you can find the standing stones of our rodeo, the men. They are probably over 5,000 years old. There are 54 groups of stones, and some of them are 3 meters high. They go in parallel lines from east to west. Why did those early people put these stones in the middle of a desert? Was it a prehistoric religious center? Possibly. Archaeologists do not agree about this. Some believe that the stones were probably a meeting place for people in the area. Possibly they were also a trade center. Many important trade roads crossed the Al Jawf area. The Al stones are a fascinating mystery. So, still a mystery. Okay. Read the magazine article. Do we know why prehistoric people built a regime? Do we know? Actually, it's a mystery. Okay. Read the article again. Which of these sentences is not possible or probably explanation for a regime? Okay, let's read it. 1. They were a trade center. 2. They were a religious center. 3. They were an old castle. 4. They were a meeting place. So you can pause the video, read it again, and you will know the answer. Let's see. Of course, here, the first one, do we know why prehistoric people built a regime? No, we don't. And 3, the answer here, they were an old castle. An old castle. Okay? Now, listen and repeat. Okay, let's listen carefully.
Unit 6. Different Places. Lesson 1. Old Places. Track 32. Exercise 3. Read, listen, and say. Possibly. Possibly.
Probably. Probably.
They were possibly a trade centre.
They were probably a meeting place.
Okay, possibly and probably. Okay, it's a possible place. Might or might not. Okay, possibly or probably. Okay, why do you think they built a regime? Use probably and possibly when you talk about it. Why? Do you think why? They were possibly a trade center. They were probably a meeting place. What do you think? Can I say they were probably or possibly a religious center? Maybe. So what do you think? Repeat and say it. Just say it. Yes, talk about it. Okay, in the end of our lesson, figure out the main idea after reading a paragraph we talk about or we read about radio. We use probably and possibly correctly. Okay? See you next class, everybody. Goodbye.